Hi, my fellow narcissist survivors. I'm making another short video this evening on the hoovering and the flying monkeys and the ex-narcissist rage. But anyway, I just want to make it very clear, chosen ones, that you just have to keep your eyes on God. Keep Him first, and don't let any person, place, or thing cut you down, because you've adjusted your crowns, kings and queens. And I just came back, just like, I just come back. I just come back. I just come back. It's just like that special ed hip hop song, old school. I just come back. You're not gonna turn us down. Hell to the no. Okay? And I certainly don't miss that narc stare. They stare at you like that, or they give you the pout like, come she's getting more attention than me. Anyway, we don't miss that. And it's like, OMG, and all those rages and word silence and endless arguments and sleep deprivation, and they keep you up all night like arguing with you, and then they pick a fight so they can go out with their other supply behind your back and triangulate you. Oh, honey child, that's too much drama, okay? Stay focused on God and let Him be number one in your life. Again, no person, place, or thing has power over you, honey. Hail to the no, not today, Satan. So anyway, good night, kings and queens. We've adjusted our crowns, okay? Take care.